Hi guys, thanks for choosing PerfectQA services. We are from since 8 years in the industry of the QA and services, and we are providing all kind of services. For example, manual and automation. And let me elaborate how we are providing manual testing and automation side. Let me start. Let me start with it manual testing side. Manual testing. First of all, like what is manual testing? Whenever you test any application manually, for example www.google.com, and you are saying that Google page is opening manually, that thing, and we are checking in different browsers, that's a cross browser testing as well. That's a type of the testing. So any new application must be manually tested. That's a manual testing, and it doesn't require any kind of knowledge and any kind of tool. It doesn't require it, so anyone can use and can learn manual testing. Moreover, the key concept of the manual testing is to ensure that the application is error-free, and PerfectQA provides 100% bug-free application to the market, and we did more than 100 plus application till now. Basically, the testing checks the quality of the system and the deliver bug-free application 100%. That's our motto too. Moreover, what types of manual testing is? First is usability, second one is functional testing, third one is performance, fourth one is installation, fifth one is interruption testing, and then after we have to check memory testing as well. In this tutorial, in this PPT, I will elaborate and describe all kind of testing types briefly as well. So first is usability. Usability means people have to check visually and usably with all kind of applications. Second, functional scenarios. You have to check it, and users can verify those scenarios. Functional part. For example, whenever you open any of the application, and application have a different kind of functions. For example, home page, gallery, and gallery opens when user tap on it. So those kind of functional scenarios we have to cover it out. Then after performance testing. In performance testing, we have to check the performance of the application. For example, whenever if you do 100 users and 100 users in a one application, and how reliable application is, and we have to check that performance of the application. That testing called is performance testing. And moreover, like other testing types too, and I will describe in my next PPT as well. Moreover, the fact of the manual testing. So what are the facts available, and what are the things is really required, and what are the skills we have to require to test manual to learn it as well. So first is testing require many skill sets. Second one is testing attempt to find as many defect as possible, and we have to cover up, and defect should manage in any bug tracking tool as well. Third portion is identify all possible defects is impossible, so we have to cover up most of the possible scenarios from our side. Fourth one is 100% test automation cannot be done. It means whenever you find any bugs or create any scenarios, you have to find, or you have to capture each scenarios, and we have to be it's completely bug free. We have to make it for manual side. So manual part is really important compared to automation. So that's the main reason. Fourth part is 100% automation cannot be done, so that's the reason manual testing also an important part as well. Fifth one is testing can be extremely challenging, so you have to be think out of box and manage all kind of testing with all kind of typical scenarios to be verify as a functional ways. In next example, what is bug example? In this PPT, we are validating the user input. Whatever, like in this example, there is a birth date, right? Many applications allow user to input username, birth date, and other account information. So basic input validation should be implemented. So we have to check that if user entered correct date or not, and is it a correct date or not. So that thing, validating the user input and validation things, it called. So this is really important in finding bugs as well. Moreover, PerfectQA provides all kind of testing scenarios and all kind of testing stuff to rely on it. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching me. Bye.